Dave Fisher live with the here in Helsinki at the 2013 Men's World Championship. Tim Stapleton from Team USA joins us. And Tim, tell us a little bit about the tournament so far and how things have been going.
It's been going good. I think a lot of guys are having fun. And as far as the hockey's going, I think we've been playing pretty well. We've been improving every game. And for the short time period we had to get together and the way we're playing and the wins we're getting right now, it's great. So I think from the hockey standpoint, it's going good. It's getting better, and we got a lot more to improve. And as far as off the ice, it's Helsinki's, in my opinion, one of the best cities. I lived here for a little bit, so guys are having a lot of fun. The families are rolling in now, so it's a lot of fun right now.
You mentioned that this city familiar to you. Tell the fans a little bit about your time here and what you're up to.
Yeah, I played my first 2 years of pro here. I actually lived right around the corner from where we're staying, so nothing's really changed. It's good. It's the first time I've been back since I played, and for me to come back here was kind of one of the reasons why I wanted to play, is because it was in this city, and I had a lot of fun here and learned a lot, and I have a lot of friends. So I just been trying to touch base with old friends and get to some of the restaurants I used to eat at and things like that. But nothing's really changed that much, which is good. So everything's kind of the same, and it's been easy for me to get around.
You played college hockey at the University of Minnesota Duluth. Talk a little bit about your college experience and how it helped prepare you.
It was good. It was for me. It was it was kind of a unique situation. I just Duluth was kind of the first school I talked to, and I just went with it and went there. And sometimes I wonder if there was other schools maybe, but I didn't even give any school a chance. And it was a situation where I played right away from the first year to the last year, and I had coached Scott Sandlin there, so he helped me out a lot with my defensive game as far as my personal game. But the school was great. I mean, we went to the Frozen Four my sophomore year. We had a couple good teams in those 4 years, so it definitely matured me as a player, and to be able to get an education out of it was great too. So it was 4 years of a lot of fun and learning a lot, and I had a blast.
Talk about your youth hockey experience and maybe any coaches that you remember that had an influence.
Yeah, probably the biggest coach influenced me was this guy Larry Pedri. He was I grew up playing. I didn't play until my later years in high school, but the Chicago Chill, which is a AAA team in Chicago, and that's how kind of the youth hockey works in Chicago. You got to play on one of these travel teams. You could play high school and things like that, but the exposure is kind of very low. But to kind of get out there and get your name out there, you got to play on these travel teams. So I played on the Chicago Chill a little bit, and he was maybe the first coach that ever kind of told me that I have a chance to maybe play college, and kind of steered me in that direction. So he definitely was a starting point for many things in my life that had to do with hockey, and it's kind of got lucky there. So maybe if I didn't run into him, maybe I wouldn't be playing right now.
How about we talked a lot about hockey. What do you like to do off the ice for fun?
When the season's over, I like to travel a lot, and I like to golf when it's warm out and things like that. But to kill time during the season, I'll play. I like to play the guitar a little bit. Not very good, but I'm into music and things like that, and probably just like any other player, just like to try new restaurants and just hang out with my friends and things like that. So it's nothing special. Just I'm not any adventurous at all, but just just like the ordinary person, just trying to have fun with things and enjoy as much time as I can.
Tim Stapleton with us here from the World Hockey Championships in Helsinki. Stay tuned to coverage on USAHockey.com throughout the tournament.